Oh, g'day guys, welcome back to Arthur's videos, you know, but have a guess today guys, you will not believe it man, you will not believe it. The production crowd has come to Steve's house, yes, the production, the lighting crew, the gaff guys, the fluffers, they all came over to Steve's house at the moment to film this machine just for you guys because he's got problems like everybody else like me. So before we waffle on what's under the bed sheet with the stains and all that, we're going to get a yumcha into us. All right, here's the bottle, okay, here's the bottle. Okay, hey, say,
g'day guys.
Okay, here we go. Hang on, we're all going to pour yumchas in here first for the guest of his house.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's a good pour there. He's going to get tanked tonight. All right, there's mine. Cheers guys, we're having a yumcha. You know, here we are, here's a salute. It's on my hand, here's my other hand. So guys, cheers.
Cheers.
All right, how good is this, man? Oh, Steve's having a, oh my God.
Wow.
Yeah, he's going to have a happy time tonight with his sisters tonight. All right, so what's under the bed sheet before I waffle on? This is the continuation. This is part 5 now of that Multistar. Okay, of the Multistar and the Aristocrat stuff. So what's under the bed sheet with all the skid marks and all this shit? Yeah, man, why don't you go and get it washed for me? Get your missus to wash it. Now, come on, man, you can't do that. You know, you're going to leave it as it is. So this is his machine. I'll move it around in camera view. This is his machine, and this is a weird one. Okay, you'll never see this again. Okay, yeah, man, we've seen these before and that. Okay, and all this stuff. So this one's called a Royal Ascot. His perspex has gone a bit shitty here and there. So, but this is a weird one. Okay, this is. I'm going to show you the whole lot. Then I'll open up the door. Okay, this. I'll move the camera so you guys can sort of see it a bit better. So check this out. Okay, this is what it looks like. You know. So this is what the head box is. See how big the head box is? You know, so yeah, check that out. You know, look, see how the features are? See, look at the payouts. I hold it for you guys to go whoop, and you can play it back again. So check out all that. These are the odds. This is a really good man cave machine because it's got the ponies on there. And have a look at the payouts and the wheels on that. So you can sort of zoom in, you can sort of check it out. See how it says Mircostar. I know there's a bit of glare coming in. I'll move over here. See how it says Mircostar. The window is really nice looking window. See how the odds of the payouts are. And by the way, that guy who gave me a message on that last one after watching their video, not going to play pokies, good on you, man. At least you'll save your money for the hookers. All right, so this one here has got see the button payouts? So the big one, see how they've got the big button here to make you idiots to press the button so you could lose your money quicker by the big button, make it easier. So basically, hang on, I'm opening the door for you guys. So now check this out. This is actually 6 wheels. Okay, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you notice, the wheels on this are a bit more smaller than my other 5 wheel because they had to compensate it inside the unit. So now you see the ribbon cable? Like I showed you my other unit. Go play that other one, you'll see it. So there's a ribbon cable, so they made it idiot proof. So, now we're going to get sold for other people again. See the ribbon cable, so you can undo it and you can pull the mechanism out so you can service it. I'm not going to show you, play my other video and you can see how the mechanism is. So this poor bastard here, his 2 coils on the rear are fucking blown. So that's how he contacted me, I contacted him, we were all touching each other because he's in the same boat, he's screwed basically. He's in the cooler, mate, So yeah, so then at the bottom, you have a look, it's the same gooseneck hopper. Play all of my other videos of Aristocrat and that, they're using the same gooseneck hopper. And there's your coin tray. This is actually a 5-cent machine, those little dime nickels. So on the side, man, you're going really quick with this. All right, I've got to slow down a little bit. Oh. Okay, see how this one's running an old mechanical coil mech. Okay, see that's the old mechanical coil mech, and it just goes through there, through the sensor. And this little button here is actually for the service button. So when the door is open, the service guy can go, and you can test out the machine by servicing it. And if you notice, it's still running the same I/O board with a ribbon cable like the 2.5. So this one here, don't forget guys, this one here is before the 2.5. So this is this one here, then the 2.5, okay? So we're getting, basically they're still using the same guts in the 2.5. So this is what the main door looks like. You can sort of see that. All right, so back to the wheels. Okay, so he's got the power supply in the back there. Is the same one as the 2.5 because you've got the slot there, looks like a vagina. Now there's 2 little LEDs in there. So the 2 LEDs where I'm pointing my finger in there in there. It's two LEDs to tell you if it's got the 5 volts or the 24 volts, okay? So that's what that does. Here's your coin opening switch. There's the opto to tell the door is open and all this. But yeah, but his machine is in good nick. But I'm back here. We're going to sort this problem out. I'm going to actually be working on the bobbin. I've got my R&D department. He's drawing up the bobbins for me because the bobbins are stuffed. Okay, so what I've done is I pulled out the bobbin from the last video I'll show you. Yeah, so what I've done is, here's the bobbin, okay? There's the bobbin. I'll get a better view for you guys. There's the bobbin, okay? So I pulled that all out. I've cleaned it up. What happened was, the coil and the winding has actually brought the plastic out into the winding, because when I was doing it, I actually slapped my finger there. Yeah, man, you look a bit of a crybaby. You look like a crybaby. Yeah, man, look at that. Bloody wire cut me. So yeah, so what happens is, your coil might look like it's okay, but it's when it goes like this, it's pretty stuffed. So what I did is I got my ring tester. So what I did is, you know, the old video I showed you, I got the ring tester. So there's the ring tester, and what I've done with the ring tester, when you power it up, it gives you these LEDs, and it tells you if the coil's shot or not, you know, by that. If it's got no lights, it's the coil's shot. So this, I use this again to sort of work out these coils, basically, you know. So that's what I'm at the moment with this guy. But the thing is, guys, what do? You can't just go down the road and buy it. Oh, Google, yeah, man, go to Google, Alibaba, man. You can do Alibaba. Yeah, wish I was. You could buy hookers off the Alibaba on that. So basically, I'm not going to pull out his mechanism, okay, because you can see what the mechanism, it's the same. You can sort of see my other one here. So this is, I brought my mechanism in here so I could put it into his machine so I could get it going. But I've cleaned it up. You can sort of see how nice and bronzy, this is like a bronzier board. It's not the copper type. I cleaned it all up so I could make this into a 5-wheeler, because I've got this other guy's program which is designed for 5 wheels, not 6. So what I will do, he's going to take out these coils out of his, put it into my mechanism, and then he'll sort of plug it in to see if the wheels are spinning. And once the wheels are spinning, the board will continue going. Because if the wheels do not spin, okay, your mechanism, the game will not boot. So the wheel's going to go do, 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 do. And once it does that, it'll go to the next procedure of the game booting up. So that's what happens with a lot. And I reckon a lot of these are blown out. So when I get them up and go, yeah, man, what are you trying to do? Market your coils? Dude, your machine's fucked. You need to reach out to me. So once I get it going, I'll give you guys the information. I'll work out what's costing at the moment. But I've got the R&D doing the 3D printing on these coils now. So we're getting up to that stage of his mechanism. So I'm here at his, like the whole room is full of people, man. We're all stuck in here. He's still trying to drink his yum cha, man. He's a bit of a softie. He's trying to, it's a bit early in the morning, but you know, sometimes you need a bit of a yum cha to get you going, you know. But yeah, this is mate, trust me, man. This shit here, I even gave it to my audio guy, I gave him a shot of this, he goes, oh man, this is not bad, man, not bad. Yeah, so I'm promoting the bottle again, you know. Another guy goes, mate, the bottle's going down. And I said, don't worry, man, we always go to the bottle shop. So yeah, back to this guy here. It's a nice looking cabinet, man. It's nice. The pity that the plastic's heated up, okay, because of whatever it was, sun damage or whatever. But as I said, what do you do, man? This is early 80s stuff, you know what I mean? But it looks awesome in a man cave job, you know? So, you know, all I can say, guys, you know, look, appreciate you watching my videos. I'm doing it for you guys. Steve's in the back there and laughing his head off, you know? You know, what do you want? And actually, he's a guy, okay? He's not with my hands, all right? So yeah, the crew's out here. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Like I say, do down the bottom. If not, give me the fucking fingers or the thumbs up. You see, he's cracking up laughing. See, there's his little hand. Okay, so yeah, so guys, the 2 thumbs. All right, the 2 thumbs. All right, all right. Cheers.